Today we celebrate veterans and the sacrifices they have made for our country. Blue Line Arts is also celebrating veterans by hosting some interactive art classes. And here to fill us in on all the fun they have to offer is co-director Emeritus Mayall. Welcome to the show, Emeritus.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, you do a series of workshops for the veterans, but tell us, why is it important that the veterans are able to attend?
Yeah, we feel like it's really important for the veterans to be able to come out and express themselves, embrace their own creativity, and it's a really great therapy component too.
Well, it is all about the creativity. Tell us about these workshops. How does it work?
Yeah, so we provide 8 workshops for free for veterans, and we provide these programs for 3 different types of veteran groups too: women veterans, male and female veterans, and then veterans and their family members.
Oh, wow, that's great. Where do you hold these workshops?
They are all held at our facility, Blue Line Arts, in downtown Roseville. We have a great art gallery and education center there.
Okay, great. So you brought some examples here of some art or some of the workshops. Tell me about what we have on the table.
Yeah, so here we just have some examples of the self-portraits that we're going to be doing. This workshop will be held in February, and they are very expressive self-portraits. We're not expecting for veterans who maybe don't have the art skills,
right,
to come in and create a photorealistic self-portrait. But we have a lot of different, fun, creative art techniques for them to learn and have fun together.
Very nice. So tell me about this mask.
Yeah, this mask here was actually created by a veteran last year. This is the 2nd year in a row that we have provided free workshops for veterans. And we will be having 2 more clay sculpture workshops coming up in the new year.
Oh, how fun. They can really get their hands into it. So who's teaching these workshops?
So we have local professional artists who are teaching these workshops.
That's a treat.
Yes, it is. So we have Deidre Trudeau, who is also a veteran herself. She will be teaching the expressive self-portrait workshops, as well as some mixed media art workshops that we have coming up.
Well, you talked about the self-portraits, the clay masks. What are the other art techniques that you guys will be doing in the workshops?
So some other techniques we'll be doing are mixed media collage. So some of the veterans will be bringing in their own, favorite photos or memories that they want to, encapsulate in a work of art. And our teaching artists will help them do that, as well as some of the clay sculpture workshops we have. The veteran family members are going to be able to come in and really have a nice family get together.
Well, that's great that they can do it with their family as well. Now, how are you able to offer all these workshops for free?
So we are very grateful to have received a grant from the California Arts Council to provide all of these workshops for free for veterans.
That's awesome.
This is the 2nd year in a row, and we've had some amazing positive feedback from it. The veterans just absolutely love coming to these workshops and making new friends, and just having some great experiences from it.
Great. So you have a series of workshops. There's lots of opportunities to get involved. When is the next one coming up?
So the very next one coming up is going to be in December. We have a clay ornament workshop for veterans and family members, and we just have a couple of spots left, so we would love for veterans to go to our website and sign up.
And where would they do that at?
At bluelinearts.org.
And Mary, just tell me, what is it that you get out of being part of this project and offering these workshops?
Oh, we just absolutely love being able to provide these workshops for free. We love seeing them come in and maybe a little apprehensive about creating art for the first time, but once they sit down in an hour of just learning new techniques, they walk away really empowered.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing these workshops with us. I hope all veterans get the chance to get involved, because it sounds like a fun, creative outlet.
Definitely.
Good stuff in the community. Thanks so much. And that's going to do it for our show today. Thanks for watching. Happy Veterans Day. We'll see you right back here tomorrow, Tuesday, for another edition of Your California Life. Have a good one, everybody.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.